T, what are we doing now?
And we're gonna solder.
I think you wanted this one, right?
Yeah.
There's your solder.
Should have soldered this.
Let me get you something. Let me get you something so it doesn't slide too much.
Well, yeah.
Is that better, T? Nice and steady?
Glove that. Gloving.
You giving it a glove already? Okay, but always remember, T, gentle. Gentle and soft, gentle and slow. That's how you always do soldering. Always gentle and slow. Wow, it's nice soldering. How's it going, T?
Good.
Looks like you're doing a nice job. You put it so it touches the solder and the wire at the same time. Ooh, hey, T. You were props. Okay, now let it go. Now we give it a couple seconds. Look at that. Solder on, nice and strong. Hey, nice soldering, T. Very nice. Up. Want to do it again?
I do not want to have that.
Oh, you want the wire on?
Biggest is best.
Remember, do hear a scratching sound. You want to go nice and slow, gentle. That's very nice and smooth motion too.
Dad, so this is when the block is smelting. You just put soldering and just put it on it so it becomes goo. Dad,
Yep.
I'm gonna do more goo.
Nice.
There.
There's your soldering iron.
So how will I solder this?
What do you want to solder on? You got to connect. Normally you connect things together when you're soldering. What do you want to connect together? See? I'm gonna put like a chip on that.
Where's the chip?
You can even go from the bottom in. You ready? You hold it like this.
There's the glue.
Metal hot. You make the metal hot. Just snurr it around a bit. Right? Snurr it around a bit. And I go like this. And I solder. And the other one. Oops, you melted the plastic.
Sorry.
That's okay.
I want to melt the
Yeah, but it's not
plastic.
not good for the soldering iron. So just try not to. Okay, you make that bit of metal hot. You put it, touch it on the metal to make it metal hot. Oh, nice job. I put this on. Yeah, hold it steady on the metal. Hold it steady on the metal. On the metal. When we touching. Yeah. That's perfect. Watch it. Oh. And the other bit of metal. That's perfect. The other bit of metal. Let me touch this one. Oops. Oh wow, the metal's getting so hot. There's melting in plastic. Okay. Good job.
I like
Yeah, let me give this one a clean just because you got a bit of plastic on it.
Dad, I like melting plastic.
Then you want hot air. Do you want to melt plastic with a hot air gun?
Yeah.
Now it's at 290. Now it's at 300 degrees. Okay, let's do 290. Ready? Oh, now it's melting still.
I'm hungry.
Okay. That was a good session, Bub.
Time to eat
Good job.
lunch. Yum yum. It's time to eat lunch.
Yum yum. Great job, Tim.
Yum yum.
Yum yum.